Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to add ChatGPT widget to your iPhone home screen and also lock screen. So how to add it to home screen? You want to simply long press on any empty area on your screen and then tap this brush icon, or it could be also plus icon, then select Add Widget, and now you can scroll to list of applications and select ChatGPT. So decide which one you prefer more and press Add Widget. So it will appear on your screen. Additionally, you can drag it to your preferred position on your screen. And now let's tap Done button. Now, after this, how to add ChatGPT widget to your lock screen, you want to swipe down to see your lock screen, and now long press any empty area, and let's press Customize button. So here you will see button Add Widgets. Let's press it, and now you want to find ChatGPT from the list of apps and decide which one you prefer the most. I'll go with this one. Okay, and tap Done to save it. So next time that you want to use ChatGPT from your lock screen, simply tap this widget and it will redirect you to new chat with ChatGPT. So that's how it works. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.